Hello there. Well, it looks as though yesterday's rain easing away and the winds calming down as well. So we'll start the day with quite contrasting conditions. However, cloud and rain set to continue to move in from the west. It's going to slowly spread east as the day continues. So let's take a look at what's happening just at the moment. Still a significant wind, but as you can see, the rains ease away and clearer skies. So quite a chilly old start to our day today, particularly the further east you are. The cloud and rain gathers here, so temperatures will stay at around 4 to 8 degrees. But under those clear skies, we're going to see those temperatures close to freezing in places. And with still some residual showers lying around, there could be some icy stretches, particularly in the parts of northeast Scotland. Something to bear in mind first thing. So look at the contrast at 8 o'clock in the morning. Out to the west, there'll be cloud and rain gathering. To the east, maybe some brightness first thing, but a chilly, possibly icy start. We will see a little bit of brightness just along those North Sea coast and down into East Anglia, but only temperatures of around 2 or 3 degrees. More cloud for central parts of England, and already we'll have some wet weather starting to push into the southwest and for much of Wales. So that cloud and rain will tend to gather out into the west across the Isle of Man, Northern Ireland and into western Scotland, and on the leading edge of it for a time there will be a little bit of snow. It'll turn back to rain, but certainly by the end of the day we'll have a fairly extensive blanket of rain across the country. And temperatures struggling in the east after that cold start, 5 or 6 degrees, but milder air starts to arrive behind that rain, so we'll see double figures in the west, 11 to 13 degrees. And here is that milder air gradually squeezing the cold air back across to the continent. So it looks as though New Year's Eve could be another mild affair, just like it was on Christmas Day. I think there'll be a little more cloud around generally on New Year's Eve, with some showers out into the far north and west. But look at these temperatures, 11 to 14 degrees. So it will certainly feel noticeably milder. If you're heading off to many of the Premiership matches, certainly out to the west, be prepared for some rain for Manchester and Swansea. It looks as though the Arsenal match will stay largely dry. If you're heading out and about overnight on New Year's Eve for your celebrations, cooler, yes. Up into the far north it stays mild but cloudy further south. Let's hope you get to see a good firework display with those weather conditions. Now the winds are set to continue to return on New Year's Day. Again, it stays largely cloudy. A bit of a question mark as to whether we might see some rain just brushing the south coast, and a few showers with a wintry mix in there in the far north and west. Enjoy.